should be getting close. There's a few nice hotels here though. Like some I didn't mention, I wasn't on Booking.com. It's my location here where I'm going to stay for the last night in Kathmandu. Nice, refreshing welcome drink. Lemonade. Very good. Very mito cha.
Thank you, sir.
Let's do a bed test. Oh, it's so soft compared to what I've had in the last few nights. So today's the last day that I'm going to be staying in Kathmandu. Tomorrow I'm there till about 7 o'clock at night, but officially this is my last evening that I'll be staying here. So I'm going to splurge and treat myself. For the last day I'm going to get a decent hotel room. So I'm going to show you that. I wasn't planning on doing videos of that, but today, but I'm going to film that and show you what it looks like. The new place. I should have my Genius level 3 once I've checked out of the hostel, so that'll give me 20% off on the properties in Booking.com. So that's pretty good. So I'm happy with that. I'll walk around for the last time, and I'll probably do some little shopping, pick up the last few items. I have rupees to get rid of. I'm going to do the budget and see how much I have left and how much I need. I need to get a few, keep money for the airport. Namaste. Hi, namaste. I have to keep money for the airport, for the taxi, and for while I'm there. Nagendra said keep around 2,000 rupees to eat in the airport. It's a little more expensive, so I'll probably keep around 3,000 aside for myself, and then the rest I'm going to budget for the hotel, whatever it's going to cost. Probably looking around the 50-60 euro range, which is a pretty high-end, like 4-star hotel here. And then the rest of the money I'm going to pick up some odd ends. Might get in a t-shirt or two. It's just some little stuff, nothing heavy, because my bags are packed. That's why another reason why I want to get the hotel. The hotel is good for sorting out all my stuff on the bed, making sure my bags. I'm allowed 25 kgs on my checked luggage and 7 kgs on my carry-on. I have a little scale that I brought with me. It's a handy little one. I'll show it to you. Definitely recommend getting it. It doesn't take up much weight, and it also helps you for when you're traveling. Anyway, so that's it for now. I'm going to sign off, and I'm going to get myself a coffee. So, I've got my bags, and I'm just walking to the hotel. It's a 7-minute walk, and I stayed at a different one. I was thinking of another one that was a little bit nicer, but it was outside of Thamel in an area that didn't look that great, but I went for one that's closer as an option, so that's where I'm heading to now.
Hello.
No, thank you. So we're heading off there. Just walk a little bit further, turn left, and then just down the road a bit. I turn left here, and it should be just up ahead. So we're walking up. Should be pretty close. No way. 1 minute left. We should be getting close. There's a few nice hotels here though. Like some I didn't mention, I wasn't on Booking.com. Need that now? Kumari, there it is at the end. Are you going or what? I can walk faster. Come on. I don't know why he did that. Kathmandu Boutique and Kumari. Here's my location, here where I'm going to stay for the last night in Kathmandu. Namaste. Yes. Very good. I have a booking.
Yes, sir. In which name do you have booking?
Michael Phelan or Mick Phelan or Celtic Make Walks or just did it.
For how many nights?
Just tonight.
One night, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I just need your name and signature, right?
Okay, so I'm just checking in. Yeah. Nice, refreshing, welcome drink. Lemonade. Very good. Very mito cha.
Thank you, sir. You fancy kid, sir? डिलक्स डबल रुम भनेको छ 500 क्या छ त्यो
होइन डिलक्स रुम कुन चाहिँ हेरेर
हुन्छ एकछिन जस्ट अ मोमेन्ट ओके सर आई विल जस्ट चेक द रुम
No problem. So here's. Okay.
यो कुन चाहिँ रुम खान्छ डिलक्सको लागि
Elevator, which is a good sign. Here's where they have the breakfast. Get that tomorrow. Books and stuff. Oh, scale too. You can weigh your bags. Very handy. And because of the name Kumari Hotel, they have a picture of the Kumari right there. Very good. I'll wait till we get up and see the room.
Here,
Here, come here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Okay, so let's do a quick room tour. It's a very nice hotel. Here's the, let's see, turn the light on, yeah. Okay, so you have a sink, a towel, oh, you have a shower caps, soaps, toothbrush, toothpaste. Got a shower here, towel hangout, toilet, that's just the old bum gun. Okay. Not as strong as sometimes, but there are a couple towels, so that's good. Hair dryer, not that I need it. You got the cabinets there with the safe, which is handy. I can put my laptop and my GoPro in there when I'm out. And then nice big double bed. Let's do a bed test. Oh, it's so soft compared to what I've had in the last few nights, last week or so. You got 2 bottles of water with the hotel name, Kumari. A TV, which I haven't seen since I've been here. And then, oh, we got here's a little fridge. Okay, and then a desk, foot rest, tea and coffee maker, lounge chair, and a thumbs up. So I'm gonna get my stuff sort of semi-ready. I have to go pick up my laundry. My laundry was supposed to be ready by 12. It's just a little after 12. It wasn't opened yet. So I'm going to go get my laundry, come back, sort out the bed, sort out the bags, and take a shower and get ready and then go out and explore a bit. Here's a quick speed check. So 38.8 for download and uploading 29.9. Very good. I might be able to get some work done today too. Got a call from the front desk. There's been a booking error or room error, so I have to change rooms. So let's see if it's an upgrade or a downgrade. Okay, so yeah, there was an issue. Because I booked it this morning, he didn't realize what it was that I had the suite. So I'm on the top floor, and then this is the room. So here we got the same thing as the other one, the cabinet, but this is a nice little bar section here for the coffee table. Nice bed here. We'll do the test again. Oh yes, really nice. Here's a nice working area. So the other one I was sort of trying to move it with the coffee machine and that. So I have my own separate spot. 2 bed chairs here. Nice little table. We'll check out the old view of the garden. So you can see the mountains in the back, and yeah. So the other floor was this on the second floor. So now we'll go take a look at the bathroom. Oh, definitely a lot better bathroom. So this one has a separate shower area with the screen and has the same odd cons as the other one. And let's do the bum gun test. Very good, nice and strong, better than the other one. So all in all, happy with the upgrade. Here's the light, towels, hair dryer. So I'm gonna get myself sorted again for a second time, and then I'm gonna go try to get my laundry, then pack up my bags and see how it looks for weight-wise. Just coming outside the room, there's this little open area here. We have a view. Just buildings. Nothing special, but it's a nice little area. And there's, I guess it goes upstairs, I don't know. It's a little place you can chillax in the evening. I'm gonna go see if I can find my clothes, laundry. The old laundry, the shop's still closed. I spoke to another guy that has a shop similar right beside him, and he said no, he is coming. It's just issues with the festival day and that. So what I'm gonna do, get something to eat, then I'll go back to the hotel, get my shower and change, and then I'll head back and I'll see if he's back yet. Let's see what they're Cafe Mitra breakfast. Specialties: avocado dragon salad, asparagus, grilled salmon steak. No, I don't think so. Let's see what I have later. Living it up. Just had room service. So I got a Gorka beer with some prata and some crispy chicken. And we're watching South Africa and Bangladesh in the cricket while I'm editing some film. Okay, just a quick note. I just saw there's, beside the elevators, another door for a rooftop balcony. So here's another one we have. It wasn't the first one I showed. And then here's the look around the town. Hotel Mulberry. Like, there are a lot of hotels, like decent hotels in this little stretch. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's probably about 10 decent hotels in this area. So I highly recommend if you wanted to splash out a bit. Now there's cheap options like I showed you, like €5 get you in. This one costs 65 euros for the night. So I splurged a bit to treat myself after the 31 days traveling, or 32 days traveling. It will actually be 33 days since I left my home by the time I get home tomorrow, Thursday at around 4. So now I'm going to go and try out the breakfast, which is also included. So here's the buffet. I got some eggs. Okay, so garlic butter chicken, chicken sausage, aloo prata, mixed veg, hash browns, beans, and pancake. And then there's watermelon and mango juice and a coffee. Here's what the breakfast looks like. Toast, fruit salad, water wedges, chocolate muffin, coffee, and then I got veg, potatoes, prata, chicken, and pancakes. Now enjoy. I'm gonna meet up with somebody I was keeping in contact with on Facebook and that. There's another Nepali citizen that he does guides and stuff, but we've just been communicating. Wouldn't turn my back on Meginder like that, just out of courtesy and that we're gonna meet up. He's at my hotel now. Like, it was a communication problem, like where I was, he couldn't find it. So I went to the Chinese stupa, but then he called me and he said he was at my hotel. So I'm gonna go there and meet him, maybe have a coffee, chat a bit about his hiking experiences and that, because he just came back from a trek. We were supposed to meet yesterday, but he had a nightmare of a trip with the bus from Pokhara to Kathmandu, like you've seen on my vlog previously. It is not a fun one. So now we're just making our way down the streets here and then turn left, and we'll be in my main area. Whereas, like I said, there's a lot of hotels with great looking hotels. I just found this one through booking.com, which luckily now I'm at Genius level 3, although they have to wait to approve. It takes about 3 days, but at least now going forward I'll have the 20% discount on the hotels, and you still have the free breakfasts, and you have a a direct contact with booking.com if you have any queries, and also some free upgrades. So see, here's where they start. See all the nicer type of hotels that pop up, as opposed to when you're in the thick of Thamel. So he's just a taxi driver waiting to get somebody there. And see, there's the mulberry at the end, which we've seen from the balcony at my place. My place is the last one on the right. You can see the sign slowly coming up, Kumari Boutique Hotel. So here's my buddy, Atna. We just had a cup of chai, Chia, and coffee.
Yes.
And we talked about his trekking adventures, his home place, and that. And yeah, it was great to meet up with him in person after a long time.
Yeah, after a long time, yeah.
Long time.
Yeah.
All right. So that's me done and dusted till my taxi. I'm not going to be vlogging my taxi or the flight back, probably. Just wanted to finish the last little bit of shopping. I got 3 cashmere scarves for gifts and 1 more piece of art. So I'm pretty much done out. I have a little bit. I'm going to enjoy a beer, watch the cricket, and then head out to back to the hotel, get my bags.